Katatapos lang ng malakas na ulan, may bagyo kasi. Pero talaga napatunayan ko na flood-free area itong location ng bahay na to dito sa BF Homes Parañaque. Nasa loob din siya ng safe and gated community. Meron tong lot area na 280 square meters at ang floor area nasa 370 square meters. At may impress ka nga sa napakaluwag na living, dining, and kitchen area. Ito yung kitchen, no? Medyo pahaba siya. Fully renovated to brand new. Talagang maiisipin mong almost brand new house na to pag nakita mo sa actual. Kaya tawagan mo na ako, nandyan lang yung number ko. Yung price and details nasa description box below the video or nasa comment section. Ayun yung kanyang daily kitchen. Nasa labas yung helper's room na may sariling bathroom. At eto naman yung ground floor bedroom na kinonvert na muna nila as your TV area or entertainment room. May sarili siyang bathroom. Fully air-conditioned na rin to. Meron siyang total of 4 bedrooms. Lahat may sariling bathroom at may AC. Meron ding powder room. Check na natin yung second floor. Kaya kung looking ka pa ng nice house, check mo na to. Lahat talaga ng bedrooms maluluwag. Ito na yung first bedroom. Meron na rin siyang sariling bathroom. May AC na rin dito. Tapos merong floor-to-ceiling height cabinet. Meron ding study area or pwedeng vanity. Another bedroom naman. At eto na yung master bedroom. Para kang may ballroom. May mga design din sa ceiling. Tapos meron ka ring study area dito or work from home office. Meron siyang own bathroom at merong walk-in closet. Double sink, his and hers. Kung meron tayong viewers dyan na may lot na gustong patayuan ng kanilang residential house or kahit commercial building, pwede mo rin akong tawagan ha kasi may mga partners tayong reliable. Architect, builders, contractor. Ito na yung last bedroom. Elegant yung bathroom niya. At itong bahay na to, may malaking balcony. Ayan siya. Follow and subscribe ka na dito sa channel natin na Home Search Philippines para makakita ka pa ng mas maraming bahay. Pero itong bahay na to reasonably priced kaya i-visit na natin for viewing.